With decades of industrial computing experience and a highly talented R&D team, NEXCOM is committed to building intelligent solutions to surpass customer expectations. NEXCOM frequently produces a large variety of products in small quantities, resulting in frequent rearrangement of production lines. Adding to this complexity, each product SKU requires different knowledge for production, inspection, and completion. NEXCOM needed to find a solution that would allow them to transform their manufacturing processes while maintaining their strong commitment to excellence. Inventec, a large manufacturer of computers, telephones, notebooks, and servers, has integrated its state-of-the-art data center hardware with Open RAN architecture and Azure Private 5G core to create ORAC, a complete connectivity infrastructure solution. ORAC provides a solid foundation for private 5G networks, enabling factories to become smart factories with latency-sensitive edge AI to IoT applications, such as automated optical inspection, remote collaboration, image recognition, autonomous mobile robot or AMR, and digital twins.
While riding 5G wave to disrupt the telecom industry with our commoditized server and cloud-native software, Inventec believes working with strong partners like Microsoft is our best choice to tap into new market as a challenger. Azure Private 5G core, Azure Cloud Services, Azure Stack Edge, and Azure IoT have jump-started our 5G journey in our own factories and allow us to now package 5G factory smart solutions that we are proud to provide to our customers. We really appreciate our close partnership with Microsoft, which gives us unparalleled value, not only providing innovative cloud and connectivity technologies, but also in supporting us our go-to-market momentum.
NEXCOM selected Inventec's solution to help them integrate AI with industrial IoT to transform their operations, as well as the manufacturing industry with its autonomous mobile robot, AMR, IoT devices, and its cloud-based intelligent monitoring system, IAT2000. IAT2000 with OpenAPI bridges the gap between IT and OT, enabling production line managers to aggregate real-time PAN factory data and monitor all production-critical data via a war room dashboard for better visibility and faster time to action.
NEXCOM understands that collaborating with partners is crucial to success. Inventec's complete 5G end-to-end connectivity and smart factory solutions perfectly complement our own offerings and fuel the communications technology. What impressed us most is Inventec's pioneering efforts to adopt the solutions in its factory with proven ROI. NEXCOM has similar production lines to Inventec, and their success paved our way for 5G-enabled IAT2000 to converge IT, OT, and communications technology for smart factory applications. With the high speed and ultra-low latency of a secured private 5G network versus Wi-Fi, the AMR can be deployed in our factory more efficiently while improving productivity and overall operations.
With Inventec's smart factory solution running on Azure Private 5G core, NEXCOM is transforming their factory as well as the manufacturing industry with cloud-based intelligence for actionable insights and autonomous mobile robots to streamline operations.